parallel resistor. So now, so we have R1 2.2 kilo. Okay. So we have R2 4.7. We have R3 6.8, and then we have R4 10 kilo. So let's try to calculate this circuit using Ohm's law. Simple, the very basic Ohm's law.
Yes.
Alright. So first, what do we need in the table? In the table we need I total. So we need here. So let's try to first identify what we need. Okay. So we need IT. What else we need?
B1.
B1, or the voltage across R1. Then
B23.
B23.
Yes.
Okay. Together. Then
B4.
B4.
Yes.
Then
I2.
I2.
Yes.
I2.
I3.
I3.
B2.
B total. Really? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
7 unknowns. Alright. So 7 unknowns. So first, can we get I total? Yes, of course.
Yes.
Because all resistors are given. Very simple. All resistors are given. Then we have the source. So easily you can get I total, right? So what is the first thing you need to calculate to get the I total? So let's see. Let's try to
Calculate optical.
yeah. Let's try to write the formula for I total. That is B total or V source over R total, right? So we don't have R total,
Yes.
so we can calculate R total.
Yes.
Is that right?
Right.
Okay. We have the V total. Okay. Now, so how can we get R total? Very simple. So this is parallel. Then we have the okay. So we can get now R total. This is for the first two. See, we can combine these two resistors, R2 and R3. What is this? Parallel or series? Parallel. So what's the formula for parallel? So R23, you can call it R23, right? That is equal to R2 multiplied by R3 over R2 plus R3. Is that right?
Right.
Right. So here, some of the numbers, which is 4.7 kilo multiplied by 6.8 kilo over 4.7 kilo plus 6.8 kilo. So what's the answer here? R23. 2.77 come ohms or kilo? Kilo ohms. Right. So it means that the circuit now becomes what?
Series.
The circuit now becomes like this. So it will be so we have here R1, we have here R4, and then we have here R2 and 3. So lala.
Yes.
Alright. So now, since we have now three resistors in what connection now? Series. So simply add these three resistors together. Right? So that would be R total. That will be our R total now, right? That will be our R total. So that's R1 plus R23 plus R4. So that would be 2.2 kilo plus this one 2.77 kilo plus what's R4? 10 kilo. 10 kilo. How much? 14.97 kilo ohms. That will be our R total. So therefore, I total now is simply what? 12 volts, the source, or the total voltage, over 14.97 Kilo. Take note, this is kilo, 1,000.
Yes.
So how much is this?
Milli. Milli.
Yeah. So when you this should be in milli because the opposite of kilo, right? 40,900. Okay. So that's IT. How much? 0.8 milli. Is that correct? Milli. Because it's kilo. It's become milli.
Record that here, right?
Yeah, record it here. Right? Same thing. And the same thing you can also. Anyway, if there's a video, you can just make a screenshot of. Okay. So that will give you the. This is for the Ohm's law. Very simple Ohm's law.
We get the I total.
I total.
V1.
So now next. V1. What's V1? Means V1 is the voltage across R1. Right? Okay. So let's lay the formula. Let's have the formula for it. So V1 is just equal to what? I1 R1. Is that correct? I1 R1. Alright? The question is, do we have R1? Yes, we have 2.2. So Lola, 2.2. But do we have I1? That's the question.
Yes.
What's the I1?
Because it's series, so it's I total.
So meaning, yes, that's correct. Alright? Here, we can say, because I1 is here, as you can see, I1 will be there, or this is also equal to what? I total. That will be equal to I total. So, Lola, okay? So here, we can directly calculate V1, say by just, okay, putting the numbers, alright. So we have I total already, 0.8 milli, multiplied by R1, which is 2.2 kilo. So I think this will cancel out, right? Milli and kilo will cancel out. Is that correct? So B1 here come, how much? 1.76 volts. Not millivolts, not kilovolt or something, but it's in volts because milli and kilo will cancel out. Is that right? Is that correct? All right. So next, so we have now B1. All right. We have the I total here. Next, B23. Why B23?
Because
It's parallel. So he called it B23 because it's actually the voltage across R2 or R3. It's just the same. It's parallel. That's why he called it B23. That's why he called it B23. Okay? Because B2 is equal to B3. Alright? Is that, you understand? Did you get the idea? Alright? So B23 now would be equal to what? So this can be I2 or I3. Is that correct? Because it's equal. Multiplied by R3. Do we have R3? Yes. Do we have I2? This is the question.
we don't have. No, we don't.
We don't have I2. So how?
Can we use R3 and 2 in the second circuit?
Yes, we can. You want to use this
Yeah.
this value
Yeah.
for what?
So in this circuit, we know the I total.
Okay.
So here it's series, so we can see.
Okay, that's another way. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. We can, because from this diagram, yes, the I total here is also equal to this I here, right? Flowing to this side. Okay. So therefore, we can say what? We can say that I or this one can be written as what? R2, 3. Is that correct? Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Okay. So meaning here I2, but what is I2?
It's I23 and it's 0.8.
Yes. So this will be, so I2 here, you mean I23 here. So let's say I23, let's put it I23. Is that what you want, right? So B23 can be written as I23 R23, right?
Yes.
But I23 is where? Here. You mean I23 here. I23. Since IT here now becomes series with R23, so we can say it's R23, I23. So here also we can say this is equal to I total. This is I total then. Okay. So let's see. So I23, how much? 0.8 again. 0.8 milli multiplied by R23. What's the value of R23? 2.77 kilo. How much? 0.8 multiplied by 2.77.
2.7.
Yes.
2.2.
Count.
2.2.
2.221.
2.2.
2.2116
16.
volts. V2. Is that correct?
Yes.
Can you check the tables? Is this the same? It's 1.8. No, how about here?
Yes.
Ah, this is by measurement.
Yes.
2.2.
Divide the rule.
It's by the rule. It's by measure. It should be 2. This one should be the case, right? So it's 2.2.
Yes.
It's 2.2. It's correct, right? It's 2.2.
No,
Is that correct? Yeah. Yeah, so it's correct. So
The two numbers.
it's correct, right? It's correct,
Yes.
right? So next, what else? V4.
V4.
So how about V4? How about V4? V4 that will be I4
Multiply.
multiplied by
R4.
R4. So again here, R4 we have, I4 is the same as I total again, right?
Yes.
Yes, dear. Here, I total here, I total. I4
I total
on that side,
equal 0.
0.8 also. We can, right? That's it. So here, I4 is also equal to I total, we can say. So now, I4 is 0.8, again milli, multiplied by R4, which R4, 10 kilo. So that would be 80?
8.
8.
Sorry, 8, yeah. 8 milli, sorry, 8 volts. Sorry. 8 volts.
Yes.
So that would be equal to V4.
Now he asked about I2.
So we have here this one. We have here V4. What else? I2.
I2.
I2. So what's I2 now? Yeah, that's the question. What's I2? How can we get I2 for Ohm's law? Easy. Let's see. I2. Let's put the formula first, okay? I2 by Ohm's law is V2 over R2. Is that correct?
So,
So do we have V2?
yeah, we have.
We have V2, which is, this one is also equivalent to what? V23. Actually, that's V23.
Yeah.
Is that correct? That's V23. So meaning, we can calculate directly I2.
Yeah.
Okay, that's B23. This one is equal to B23 because it's parallel B23, right? So B2 is how much? Or B23?
2.2.
2.216 volt over R2 4.7 kilo. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. So how much is
0.47.
how much is I2? Huh?
0.47.
47
Yes.
milli
Milli.
because it's kilo here, right?
Kilo and
So it will give you milli. All right?
I3 it's same, right?
No, it's not the same. It's not the same because it's so
The R it's
it has a different resistor.
Yeah.
Yes, it has a different resistor.
But
The resistor is not the same.
but the current
So I3 here will be equal to V3 over R3, and we know that V3 is also equal to V23, which is 2.216 volt
Yes.
over
6.6.
6.8 kilo. So I3 here
0,
will be equal to
3, 2, 3, 2.
3, count?
3, 2.
3.32.
0, 0, 0.
Sorry, 0.32
3, 2.
milli, correct?
Yes.
Milliampere. So I2 here.
And he has last one, B2.
V total is simple. V total is equal to V source.
Yes.
This is equal to
12.
12 volts. As simple as that.
Yes.
Alright?
We did it.
Okay?
Okay.
Any question?
No, it's clear.
Clear?
Now we
Hmm?
have to move
Is it clear?
lab 7.
Yeah. Can you see it? Can you see everything? Can you see all the thing? Can you see everything?
والله اللي نزل على اليوتيوب المفروض تسوي ما في شيء تسويه خش على اللابتوب يا حبيبي
This.
تسوي السيركت وهو يرسل